This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com, February 20, 2020, and we can see here that the cryptos are down again. And just want to show you what could be playing out for the rest of the day or the next couple of days, depending on whether we get RSI movement past a certain level. Now, let's go back to the weekly chart. This is the total crypto market as calculated by TradingView. And a quick video here, just want to show you that this was where we had seen the potential for resistance on the weekly. And if you go back, I'll link the videos in the description. You'll see that this was well telegraphed, and now we are seeing this short-term pullback here. Now that's the weekly. What I want to discuss in this quick video is on the daily, whether we get a continued push to the downside. And again, here are the numbers right now for the cryptos. BTC is trading at about 9538. Whether we get a big swoosh to the downside today or the next couple of days is going to be dependent on a very simple observation, which is what happens around RSI 50. If the total crypto market drops below 50, on the day it drops below 50, again, let me repeat that. On the day it drops below 50, expect a big down day. Now, if it's today, then it's going to be a big down day today. So that could be the risk here, that on a swing trade perspective, it would be a washout today, a big down day, generally speaking. Now, let me change here and also show you that this could also be if they can hold this area. Again, just from a short-term swing trade perspective, this is meant to be an educational video. You can see that there was a breakout here of the RSI based on the prior highs being broken. So we can call this a nice breakout. We can even say that there was a wedge formation and there was a breakout that followed, which is this movement here. And the crypto market has been higher since. That was at the beginning of 2020. And we can see that if we check that information where we have this breakout right here, what we can do is draw a support line, and that support line is also coming in play if the cryptos can hold this RSI 50 level on the daily. If they can hold that RSI 50 level on the daily, then there's a good chance that we can see a bounce on the short term starting to build here on the daily charts. And again, if we end up breaking below RSI 50, and if we end up breaking below this blue line, which also happens to coincide with RSI 50, expect a big down day in terms of a swing trade opportunity. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.